Hi guys, if you want to capitalize highlighted text in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. If you have any Google Docs page like this, and on that page, if you want to capitalize the highlighted text, let's say for the example, you want to capitalize this highlighted text. So once you highlight the text, simply go to the format section, click on text, and then click on capitalization. And from here, select the option uppercase. And the highlighted text will be capitalized. You can see. Let's see one more time. Let's say for the example, you want to highlight and capitalize this text. So for that, first of all, highlight the text. And now to capitalize it, simply go to the format section and then click on text and then click on capitalization option. And from here, select the option uppercase. And the highlighted text will be capitalized. You can see. And in case if you want to capitalize all the text available on the page, for that, first of all, press Ctrl+A key on your keyboard and all the text on the page will be selected. And after the selection, go to the format section, click on text and then click on capitalization. And now select the option uppercase. And all the text available on the page will be capitalized. You can see everything has been capitalized. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily capitalize highlighted text in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.